Hey guys, so I want to post a quick update on this trade because I made a little blunder actually. It was going well. Look at this here. I took a buy right here on VWAP. The trade came up, right? And my stop was down here. I forgot to move my stop loss. This was probably a subconscious overconfidence that I was feeling that this pattern would work out, and then I didn't really take the necessary steps, right? Always trade, manage, and adapt. So what I should have done, my stop was down here below this demand area, this high volume area that I looked at earlier. Let me do this, make it a red line. So I bought the trade around VWAP here. It pushed up above this level here. Yesterday this served as a strong area of interest. When the trade came back down, I should have immediately moved my stop to this low, right? The most recent low. Look at this. Should have moved it below here and kept the stop loss here, or even higher when I saw that we were bouncing around this area, because this is, as I said, an area of interest, and was an area of interest. So it would make sense for the price to stay here and bounce. So yeah, I'm sitting here like reviewing this trade and evaluating it, and this is something that is essential and important, and that you guys should do as well. So track everything, right? And look at this right now. An opportunity is actually in the making. If we bounce off the open strongly and reclaim some of these area, because this pattern, overall this pattern it's still here. This here could still go up. So it depends on what's going to happen. So I'm gonna watch this, and yeah, time to be patient, and I have to journal this right here, this mistake. I always remember to move your stop losses in regards to what the price action does and is doing. So yeah, that was a quick update. So thanks for watching.